Hello everyone, welcome back to Arts and Crafts with Bridge and Jess.
Hello.
So as some of you may have heard, Kim Kardashian released her bathroom accessory line made out of hand-poured concrete. And I guess concrete's super cheap, a whole bag is $5.
That was my first thought. I was like, concrete.
She's selling them for what?
Like $130 for her
hundreds of dollars.
So we wanted to see if we could replicate a hand-poured concrete thing. We can.
And we can. And we'll show
did
you
for
how
you.
you can too for $5 and like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Not even.
These are modern day home accessories that you can actually buy a huge bag of concrete for like $10 and
Yeah.
you can literally make.
It's literally like $3.
Yeah, you can make whatever you want. You can make yourself a huge garbage thing for your kitchen. All you need is
a
molds.
mold.
So
And you can make your own mold too, but we just bought these off Amazon.
yes.
They're little silicone guys.
I've also seen people do, if you don't want to hand pour, if that's too, like if you want a bigger thing, I've seen online where they dunk towels in it. This is for like outside stuff. If you're looking for like pots or anything, they'll dip like towels in it and kind of just form it over something. And it's kind of cute for flower pots, but
Yeah.
that's just a lot for hand poured.
All right, we'll show you guys how we recreated Kim's by Skims. No, it's not Skims, it's Sknn.
Sknn, SKKN.
Which I don't think I like that. It's too much confusion with Skims.
I don't like it because like, what are you selling? Well, like
Skincare.
yeah, but yeah, I guess.
That skincare is expensive.
Bethany, one of the Real Housewives, is like, she's like trashed all their makeup lines except Kim's.
I mean, I'd believe it.
I mean, yeah. I mean, if she's gonna put it this much, she's a perfectionist.
Like, I would believe she wouldn't sell some trash.
Yeah, she's a skin.
I want to
girl.
start buying Skims. I think they made sizes bigger.
But they look comfortable online.
I mean, we have that one bra that didn't fit me.
I
That's
liked it.
So nice.
That one was comfortable, and it fit me when I was a little skinnier. But yeah, that one
Yeah.
was really comfortable. And leave it to Kimberly.
We trust that bitch with our lives.
I mean, her home accessories do look good, but we can't afford that simply during this recession.
They might look a little better than ours.
For sure, for sure. You can also buy a gloss, but we'll get into that.
Bag of concrete. This is a knit. The bag of concrete's 50 pounds.
Yeah, so find
It's
someone
in
to
my car, so
carry
we've
it.
been getting little quantities of it.
It actually is heavier than you think. It's about
Yeah, it really is. Like, I
this
didn't think
big.
50 pounds would be so heavy.
about that big.
I might have
they
to help
pound
you
it in there.
bring it in. Or I can
You guys,
bring
sometimes
under
it helps to wear a mask when you're hand pouring concrete because
Sorry,
once you add,
I hate you.
No, that's okay. Once you add, or once it works with water. So if it gets in your lungs, you got concrete lungs.
So it's just like sand.
Mm-hmm.
I like playing with that.
Loves it. I don't
Mix
because I
with
used to have
water.
to mix this all the time.
Oh yeah. I feel like less water. Start with less water.
Yeah, I always put too much in. I think that was my problem.
And then, yeah, and you can always add more. You have to blend the fuck out of it. Yeah,
I'm glad you like doing this because this reminds me of like always having dirty hands as a kid, working as the tuck pointer with my dad.
I like getting my hands dirty.
Not I.
You do. Are you
I
kidding
do,
me?
but I like to be able to wash them promptly.
Oh, you're gonna mix it, and there's gonna be some rocks. You have to mix really, really good. So you have a consistency like that. And you can use that too.
And you guys, we've got a really...
That's like the perfect consistency. I've been adding like a little bit of white paint.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay, so you take your cement mixture.
Also,
and you're
Giselle.
literally gonna take the silicone and put it in here and just pour it in. Giselle.
Are getting divorced. Now,
I
who do we
don't
think
know
is gonna come
anything
out on
about
top?
them.
Okay, so Giselle was like my favorite Victoria's Secret model. I used to steal the
Mine
Victoria's
was
Secret
Miranda
stuff.
Kerr.
Oh, I liked her too because she had baby face.
Mm-hmm.
So she told him football or me, and he's all football. And like, I'm sorry, but like you're on the outs of your career. Like, I mean, he's not. He's like the GOAT, I guess, right? I don't know anything about
What's his
fucking
name?
football. Tom Brady. All I know is Giselle has been slaying, and she says she did her part, and I believe her. And get
for
this,
sure.
get this. He has lost 3 games in a row
Really?
for the first time in 2 decades. Football fans. So that's also current event. And voila, is it just gonna dry now? and it's going to greet us with its beauty and functionality.
Yeah, fill it all up. Make sure it's full or else you get like air bumps. But I kind of like the holes in it. It gives it some texture. And then make sure you like pat it to even
Pack it in.
Pack it in.
Pack your cement
And then you're going to let that bitch sit for 24 hours. Oh, these ones come with a little thing too so you can have drainage.
That's good. We like drainage.
So just put that in there.
For like pots and pans.
Yeah, because like a lot of these make like little succulents. So we're technically remaking the Kim like little Q-tip holder that she's selling for like $98.
And if you want to buy this for $98, we'll take your money.
Yeah.
Or
we will sell it to you for $98.
If
or
you're a
10.
big fan, why don't you
We'll
just throw a comment
free.
and we'll send it to you because
True.
we just love you. So if you would like this one in particular,
let us know. And it's all yours.
Yeah. No money, no hundreds of dollars necessary. We know during this
no
recession.
strings attached.
Yeah, we know that. You do have to like. You have to like the button. You don't have to
like
us
and subscribe.
Yeah. You don't have to like us personally, but you do have to like, comment, subscribe to the page.
Yeah.
And it's all yours, baby. Strings attached, but so few you won't even notice. But if we're doing our jobs right, you might notice on your YouTube timeline. But anyways.
We will show you our finished product. So you're going to let that sit for 24 hours.
And Bridget has actually poured us the finished product to give you an example.
Let me get it.
We're such professionals.
We can name our show Binge Eater.
We'll make concrete tableware and eat off of it.
If we have a show on the Food Network named Binge Eaters, would anyone be interested?
Today my mom
And let us know in the comments if you're a binge eater.
Yeah. Today my mom told me I needed to start fasting. She was like, you need to just do that intermittent fasting. I said, that's not going to happen. I said,
I intermediate fast because I have to.
You do.
Because I work nights.
I binge whenever I want, whenever I want.
I love that for you.
Mark says I
eat my dinners at 3 a.m.
And yeah, that's the perfect time for you.
This is what you're going to have after 24 hours.
Here, let's get a close-up of the color so they know the color difference.
That has a little paint mixed in.
And as opposed to, I won't tilt it a lot, but
yeah, it'll dry lighter. And then you're just going to take it out of this. And then this is the fun part, really. You're going to just take the mold off.
Pull off that silicone.
Pull off the rubber.
Yeah, yank off that rubber.
And you have a $98, aka $5.
And you're rich.
Cement thing.
You are fucking rich.
And you're fucking rich.
They also have cement gloss that I looked up, but
I kind of think it looks good though.
I do too. Honestly, I feel like harsh and raw materials are it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Texture is everything when you're decorating,
It is.
guys.
That is so cute.
I know.
I'm gonna buy a bunch of these molds.
I'm addicted.
I was just gonna say I'm about to buy. We could sell them.
I'm addicted. So if you want our cement Q-tip holder, comment and subscribe, and it's all yours, baby.
We are selling them for $1 less than Kim's.
$97.
This one's
and
$97. We'll call it BJ.
BJ. Yeah. BJ bathroom accessories.
Yeah. And there you have it.
And voila, that's literally it.
And then we got another one here.
That one's a little broken. That was my first.
This was
try.
the first. Yeah, this was Bridget's first pour. Y'all.
You can always like do some like white paint or something. I was thinking about that. I feel like white paint would look so good on that.
Or the gold spray cans might look good too. Like when you spray a little gold. I feel like people do that. People. Nobody does this except us and Kim.
No one pours cement like us.
Yeah, nobody. No. But now you all know and you can.
And
you can have a modern day home.
And you should.
Yeah, because of us. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more modern day.
More life hacks that you might need.
More rich tricks.
Rich tricks with Bridget's.
Yeah. Yeah, oh my god. And welcome to the birthing of our new segment, Rich Tricks. Keep it sexy.
Welcome to the tea that we both adore. It's time to have a blast. There's so much we